Daga jingthumu bante song melon yaki sengsan hima na ki jilla ka dong lammi kari India North Eastern region bandon ka we kasur ka we jingthumu bat ban kaang da ka we kasur na ka banta ki jat penri rit pat ka ni ka than hakmat kari India Nongialam ki bakan thop yo menteri rangba ka Meghalaya Nongialam na Nagaland na Assam bat na Tripura kila penlong ya ka jinga kundu lang hanong ba New Delhi ban penpena perthai ya ka rai ba kila ya menjur lang ban Pynmih perthai ya ka ni ka jingthumu Kumba kalong menta kani ka kunhun kan sepen bena shen ya ka kerteng ka dur kadar ki jingtmu bat ya ki Nongialam ki ban penyat ya ka nang ni syakman Kumba kalong menta ki Nongialam na kita ki jela kindang sandur ya ki jinat ki ba kin sapen pendapat bah hakita yo bat ki benai banwan
Today I take this opportunity first of all to welcome our leaders from different states of the Northeast. We have with us our Maharaja of Tripura, Shri Pradyut Bikram Manikya, who is the founder of the Tripura Mortha Party. We also have with us Shri Monomo Kikon, who is the former BJP national spokesperson and a former minister of government of Nagaland. We also have on stage with us Mr. Vijay Rankol, who is the president of the Tripura Mortha. We also have with us Sri Daniel Langthasa, who is the founder of the People's Party in Assam. And I'm also joined by our National Working President of the NPP, Mr. James Sangma, and our National General Secretary, Mr. Baghe, and also other leaders of the NPP. We, the leaders from different states of the Northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people, but from different platforms and political spaces. We have realized that our strength lies in unity, and that it is time to give our people one collective voice. Taking inspiration from the vision and legacy of great leaders who fought selflessly for the identity and development of our land, we have resolved to carry forward their ideals by coming together under a shared vision for the future of the Northeast. Today's announcement marks the first step towards building this common platform. To take this initiative forward, we have decided to constitute a committee that will deliberate on the future course of action, including the modalities and structure of the proposed political entity. Our united effort is guided by a simple conviction that the people of the Northeast deserve to be heard, respected, and represented through a strong, unified, and indigenous political voice at the national level. Together, we stand committed to building a stronger and more united Northeast. Thank you very much.
I think Shri Conrad Sangma ji has already said the same, and ये जो press statement है, इसमें we have all signed as initial participating members. I'm very happy to have people like Shri Conrad Sangma with us. We have James Sangma. We also have Mullomokikon, Daniel Langthasa. We have Mr. B.K. Rangkhol, who himself had a political party called INPT, which later amalgamated with Tipra Motha, which is our party now. And there are many people who will be asking various questions, but let me be very clear and let us all be very clear. We want to speak for the people of Northeast. For far too long, we have spoken the same things about our land, about our people, about our culture, about the future of our next generation, but we have spoken either as individuals or as separate political entities. आज अगर हम एक आवाज में बात करेंगे अपने लोगों के प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे, हमारे बच्चे, हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के भविष्य के बारे एक आवाज में, तो शायद हमारा समस्या का हल होगा और लोग भी हमें और गहराई से लेंगे. इसी के लिए we have all come together and we are starting a process. बहुत लोगों को लगता था होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन है, we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here, and you are all renowned media people, many a times you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one Northeasterner to another Northeasterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all shed our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. इसी के लिए हमने ये कदम ली है और मैं आशा करता हूं और विश्वास भी करता हूं कि अहंकार से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have to shed our personal ambitions and egos and we should come together, because the most important thing in political sphere or platform is not personal interest but the interest of our people. Our people need collective leadership. Our people need a political voice not only in the Northeast but also outside Northeast. Mainly in Delhi, in Bombay, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, across metros, Calcutta, and we are going to attempt to do this. And again, to everyone who may have certain questions, our singular effort is to unify the separate voices of Northeast into one singular platform so that we can articulate our point of view to people who perhaps may not understand our challenges. Our challenges are not just within the country, but we also share a big boundary with neighboring countries. And I think that if we can come together, you will probably be able to understand and we will be able to articulate our views in a more cohesive manner. Thank you.